Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you how you can remove your Discord profile pictures and switch back to default Discord avatar. So default avatar Discord, and they have to do, guys, you go to here, down setting, click this icon right here. From here, guys, go to the left side and screen, select the second option, says profile, and click profile, scroll down and say the avatar option beside, and change the avatar. There, the remove avatar option, you're just going to click on this right here and save changed. After that, we have done that, has not reverted our Discord profile pictures back to original. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content about about Discord server. See you soon.